Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lama and this is Crave Fix with Lama. So if you're new to this channel, kindly be sure to like, share, subscribe my dears. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. We are on the road to 1000, so be sure to tell your friends, tell your family to share, subscribe if they like content, lifestyle content, recipes and home improvement content. So in today's video, I just wanted to start by showing you my countryside. It's such a beautiful place. We have very nice views. Yeah, so this was just a drive back home. Yeah, we had spent the weekend there, so I just wanted to show you some sceneries of the countryside. They're really relaxing for me, so yeah, I thought why not enjoy. So guys, now we're back home. As you can see, I have a whole mess that I have to clean up, and yeah, I wanted to take you with me, clean up with me. Yeah, so as you can see, this is the before of the living room. We have clothes scattered all over. I was trying to iron some clothes. Then yeah, that's a plate from my breakfast. These are iron shirts. I'm supposed to put them back in the closet. Yeah, so I normally, most of the time, I try and iron my husband's clothes for the week on Sundays, just before he starts the week. That way it's easier for me to maneuver in the morning, because I also have to prepare my son for school very early in the morning. So yeah, I really don't like that hassle in the morning, so I try as much as possible to prepare myself. As you can see, the kitchen is also messy. This is after the weekend, guys, and yeah, so yeah, I will start off with the shirts, put them in hangers, then put them back in the closets. As for the trousers, I had not finished them. We'll do it later, but it won't be part of this video. So yeah, just in short, I just do that mostly on Sundays to prepare for the week. That way I don't have a lot to do in the mornings, because honestly guys, I'm not a morning person. So now I'm going to start off by clearing the living room. I like cleaning under the cushions. There's always some dirt under the cushion, so always clean under the cushion. And also, yeah, for all my seats, I also like to dust off any dust on the seats, clearing up, then wiping all the surfaces. Once done with that, I was dancing over here. So yeah, wiping all the surfaces. Then after wiping the surfaces, I'm going to sweep the carpet. As you can see, those are my cleaning agents for the day. For wiping, I'm using it's the Astonish Linen Fresh ready to use disinfectant. Oh, gosh guys, this thing smells amazing. The scent is so good. It's the Linen Fresh one. I really love it, and it's actually quite affordable if you ask me. And yeah, it leaves the house and all the surfaces with a very nice fresh scent. Then now I'm going to use the Astonish upholstery cleaner. As always, if you've watched my cleaning videos, you know I do this when I'm cleaning my carpets. I always spray it first, then I sweep. I'm manifesting a vacuum cleaner. Yeah, I really need one. Niache kuinama sana, because hey, this sweeping can be tiring, especially when you have a bad back. Clearly we are getting old anyway. That's how I sweep my carpet. This upholstery cleaner always leaves my carpet smelling fresh. and yeah, deodorizes it. So you know that musky, is it a musky scent, damp smell carpets have after being washed. Yeah, so it really prevents that, and I really like it. And also the broom works for me. Next, I'm going to my bed now, dust off the headboard, then spread a set of clean sheets and change my pillowcases. As you can see guys, mimi napenda kuspread the bed. It turns out nicely. I don't like seeing any creases. Yeah, then now we spread the duvet. Also manifesting new bed linen. Yeah. Next, now I'm going to wipe all the surfaces. Guys, I'm supposed to introduce you to a new disinfectant I've been using for cleaning. You'll get to see that on my next video. Let me tell you guys, that is disinfectant. Hey, it's the plug. It's a really good plug. I'll show you guys on my next video. So yeah, I was just wiping because my master bathroom and bedroom did not really need a deep cleaning. They were clean. I just wanted to wipe over so that if there was any dust, I just wanted to wipe all of it off because I don't like dust. The next, I had to change, so yeah, I've cleaned my utensils over here. Yeah, so guys, I didn't have an after of the video, but yeah, you can tell from the video everything is clean. So here is the next day. I wanted to pamper myself because hey, hii housework yote a mom should take care of themselves ama niaje. So yes, this was self-care day. This is my nail technician. She's called Olivia. I'll share a link or her page on the description box. She does house calls, and guys, let me tell you, this girl, Olivia, if you're watching this, you do a very good job and I appreciate you. So yeah, she does house calls. You can call her, she comes to you. If you live around our area, you can go to her place. But yeah, I really like her coming to my place. And here she was doing my pedicure and yeah, my nails. I just wanted self-care to relax because hey, I've been tired of late, and I've just been in a very weird a very weird mood. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, we're getting off that. We're taking care of ourselves because yeah, self-care really helps to liven up, to yeah, it just helps. Self-care just makes you feel better. If you know, you know. So yeah, this is Olivia washing my feet, and she does a good job. She's very neat, very clean. She'll always disinfect her tools. Yani, I would highly recommend. And bado sijaanza kulipwa for ads or anything, so this is definitely not a paid ad. I just want to appreciate the good work she does. So yeah, so I just wanted to share her services on here because she does a very good job, and I also want to plug you mamas out there to get a nice sheet. I really enjoyed this massage. She's very gentle. Hey me guys, if I tell you the trauma I've been through with this nail techs, you you won't believe. But anyway, I've been hurt severally by nail techs. My feet have been, is it nikusugua ama they scrub your feet with that thing that looks like a grater. Yeah, it has cut me before, and that traumatized me, so I was scared. Plus I really live far from town, and mostly I used to go to town to get my pedicures and manicures. Yeah, so I'm really happy that now I have someone who can come to my home and I'll have that done at the comfort of my home. Yeah, so yeah, this massage was really relaxing. And now we jump into my nails. Guys, I'm sure you've seen from my previous videos, I'm a nail biter. I'm really trying to work on that habit, but yeah, we move. When I when I put normally I do acrylics, and yeah, they help because I can't bite into that. So when I have the nails, I'm good. So normally we are working on getting my nails to grow, hopefully soon. So yeah, this was an acrylic set that she was doing. You get to see this is how my feet turned out. That was a nice French, really looked nice. And also my nails, she did a very nice job. And yeah, I've survived with them. Next day I went to the salon. I'm telling you, this week was about self-care too. Yeah, so I went to joramlocs to get my locks retouched. As you can see, yeah, the locks were already retouched, so I was waiting for styling. I really like their services as well. And yeah, you don't stay there for long. I really hate staying in the salon for a whole day. So yeah, they put me in the dryer to dry the locks after they were put in hot water to form the curls. I really enjoyed the service. I was there in just 2 hours and I was done. As you can see, Joram himself was doing my styling. He did a good job. Yeah, and I really liked it. So yeah, if you're looking to get your locks, temporary locks done, I would highly recommend joramlocs. Also, not a paid ad or anything, but yeah, one day. Thank you. Yeah, so this was it. He did a nice job. I wanted to just show you guys how he was doing it. So guys, that's it for this video. I know it has been a short one, but I'm working on a very interesting video coming soon. Be on the lookout. Please be sure to like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good one. Bye.